Bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear, cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight. He sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, Peter-Pat tiptoe, crawls in the cave from the flop cold snow. Mouse squeeze, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lies twins with a small hot spark. The coals peep-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, Who there? And a hare pops in. Ho, Mouse, says hare. Long time no see. So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps, hare burps big burps, but the bear snores on. A badger scuttle by, sniff snops at the air. I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share. I've brought honey nuts, Badger says with a grin. Let's dive in the mob, cozy down and dig in. And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chop, crunch. But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole turn up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, What a night! What a storm! Twinters grin, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stalks the fire, Mouse seasons still. Then a small pepper flake makes the bear. Rachoo! He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear grunts and he snores. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he storms. Bear growls and he grumbles. You snuck my lair and you all had fun. But me, I was sleeping and have had none. And he whimpers and he moans and he whirls and he groans, and bear bubbers on. Mouse squeeze. Don't fret, don't thirst. Look, see, we can pop more corn, we can brew more tea. Bear gulps, bear gobbles. He sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on.